Alright guys, we have the 12 Pro. This is the unboxing I've been waiting for. Let's do this today, and I want to show you what's inside the box. And I do have some cases over here also. So I've got the blue, and then I've got this purple color, and then the red, the product red color. I really like the product red. I think it's gonna look nice. This one over here is the blue edition. So we're gonna take a look what it looks like, okay? Because I've never actually had a blue iPhone before. So we're gonna see. I usually go with all black everything, okay? Black case, black phone, black car, everything is black. I just like the color black. It looks super sleek and super stealthy. But this I felt was stealthy enough to have a change. So let's open up this bad boy and take a look what we have, okay? This is 11 Pro Max, guys. Pacific Blue 512 gigabyte version. All right, so here we go. Take a look. So we got this green tab right here. So satisfying, guys. Wow. It's like you're unboxing $1,000,000. You see that, guys? You can see the blue around it, and it actually has the indentation. You can actually feel it right over here, the raised edges. It's really nice the way they did this. Okay, can you see that? I'll show you on the side. You can see actually. Now the box is super thin this year. You can see that's partly because there's nothing in there other than the iPhone, really. You know, Apple has said this year that they're trying to save on the charger. They don't want to send the charger out because they're worried about the environment, and they want to do that, which is all good and everything. But honestly, if you're getting an iPhone for the first time, you don't have a charger, okay? What are you gonna do? You're gonna end up buying another $40 worth of a brick. It's not fair. It should be provided in here. Doesn't matter if you're spending anywhere above $1,000, in which this thing is almost $1,500, okay? You need the charger with it. Let's open this bad boy, okay? This is dark right here. You got the triple lens camera, okay? LiDAR detector right over there. Okay, really nice. So let's get this out of here, and then we're gonna see what it looks like on the front. Okay, we'll check out. Actually, you know what? Let's check out what else is in the box first. There's not much, but we'll take a look. Okay, so you have the USB-C to lightning cable right here. Okay. Feels a little heavier today. I mean, I don't know why. Shouldn't. All right. And then we have, what is this, guys? Is this a SIM ejector tool? Yes, it is. Okay, so SIM ejector tool. Okay. You do get one small Apple sticker. They're not skipping out on that. I would rather you get rid of this and give us a charger, okay? Get rid of all of this crap that you give us, okay? We don't need this. Get rid of all of this. We don't even need the box. Just give us a charger, okay? We don't even care about the box. Who cares about the box? I would rather have a charging brick, honestly. Here we go. Let's see. All right, so this is different. Actually, guys, the box is super heavy this time. Just to let you know, it is solid. It's not like some of the other boxes that we get. Even though Apple's always had a great box, this is solid box, right? Okay. So here's the back. Once again, it's definitely gonna be a fingerprint magnet. You can see right there, guys. Okay, but let's take this off. Actually, the iPhone 12 Pro. Really nice, guys. Do you see that? Check that out. How shiny is this? This is so beautiful. Really nice. I'm going to zoom into this so you guys can actually see. Wow. That's nice, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. Wow. Woo! Look at that Apple logo, guys. This is what we're waiting for, right? Everyone loves that Apple logo, right? Hello. Swipe up to open. Okay. I'm gonna set this up, guys, and I'll be right back, okay? Alright, guys, we're back. Here we go. Got everything set up. It's still loading the apps, you know, but that's fine. Here is the phone, iPhone 12 Pro. Really beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. Okay, let's try on some cases and take a look what it looks like. Okay, so let's pick out, I don't know, let's go with the blue one first. Okay, all right, so we got the blue. All right, so you take this off. Okay. Now these are all silicone cases because Apple decided this year they're not going to come out with a leather case yet, so we haven't seen that yet. Hopefully they do come out with it, and we'll be looking out for that. Okay, so let's see. This has a little plastic on it. Is there a trick to this? What is Apple doing with this thing, huh? Okay, so it just comes off like this. And basically, it looks almost exactly like how it is. Okay, it's a little bit lighter on the screen, but it's a little darker here, okay? So you just take it off. Okay, there it is. There's nothing else in the box. Let's put that away. All right, so here is the case, okay? Really nice, guys. Seems like it's gonna be a lint magnet, but it is what it is. Take a look, okay? It's got the raised edges, okay, right over here. Really nice. And it protects the camera. This is indented inside. This is plastic right here. It's really nice. It's a nice look, okay? All black right here. Apple logo is black, okay? It looks a little blue, but it's definitely black. I'm gonna zoom into it so you can take a look, okay? Then you have the bottom. The bottom is completely closed off this year, okay? It's like the original iPhone 5, 5S, and the SE, all right? So you have the lightning connector, you have all the ports for you to be able to listen to your speakers, okay? So that's really nice, all right? And here we have the suede, okay? The really nice suede. And I gotta say, you know what? Honestly, the suede does not feel as good as my 11 Pro Max, but it's good enough, okay? Then this is where the MagSafe charger goes, okay? Which we have back here. Okay, you guys can see that. So let's put this phone on this and take a look, all right? All right. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. This is what the phone looks like in the actual case. You guys see that? There we go. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. And you know what? This blue case goes really nice with the blue phone, as you guys can see. I'll zoom in. How pretty is that, guys? Really nice, huh? I like this, okay? This is gonna be probably my daily driver, this case right here, okay? All right, let's check out another one. Actually, before we do that, you can see all the edges. You can actually see the indentations in here and openings, volume up and down. You have the on and off right here, okay, for the volume. That's nice, easily accessible. I don't see any other connections here. That's it. Just this is the button for your power on and off. Okay, so let's check out the next one. Alright, so that's the blue one. Let's swap with the purple one. There we go, guys. This is called Plum. Apple silicone case, plum color. Okay. I saw this there and I was like, you know what, let me grab this one and I'll unbox it and I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? This is a pretty case, okay guys? I like this a lot. Really nice. I don't know how it's gonna look with my case, but with my phone, but we'll take a look. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, huh? It looks lighter, but it's actually a dark plum color. Let's put the phone in there and take a look. Alright, you guys saw that? I don't know if you guys saw that. I want to show you guys that again. Watch this, okay? When you put the case in the actual, when you put the phone inside the case, the actual ring comes up on your phone, letting you know you have. Look at that, guys. You see that? And it's the color of the case. That's really nice. It's a nice touch that Apple does. I don't know how they do that, but you know, they always come up with these strange things, but these strange things actually are pretty nice. Okay, there we go. There is the Apple silicone case Plum. I don't know how I feel about this one on the blue one. Maybe black or maybe on the white, it might look better. But you know, you guys let me know if you guys have a different version of this. If you have a different color for the iPhone and you have this case, let me know what you guys think about that. Does it look nice? Leave a comment down below and I would love to hear about that. So here it is. You can see the color is darker over here. This is darker also. It's not black, it's actually plum. It's dark plum. Okay, so it's a nice color. It's a nice color combination. Alright, so let's check out the red one. Alright, let's pop this one open. Now this is the product red, guys, okay? Product red. I like red. I usually go with red and black. That's a really nice combination. But this one over here is blue, so let's see what it looks like. Okay. This actually came with a little bit of paperwork. Alright. Guys, this is a nice case. Wow, look at that. This is nice. I like this. I haven't had a red case in a while. I had it on my original iPhone 5. With the black iPhone, it looked really nice. Look at this, guys. All right, really nice. Let's put that on there and take a look. All right, it should go red. Yep, see that, guys? That was really nice, huh? You know what? This actually looks pretty decent. Look at this, guys. What do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear. But I think this one definitely goes good with it too. I don't know. Blue or red, guys? Which one? Which one would you go with? Blue with blue or red? I don't know. I'm confused right now. I don't even know which one to get now. Maybe I'll keep both. Maybe I'll keep all three of them. Well, there you have it, guys. I don't know. I would go with the blue one or the red one. I'm not sure yet. But you know what? That's what it is. You guys leave me a comment down below. Tell me which one you guys like better. And maybe we'll do a giveaway on something, okay? Leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.